Are you a federal employee or a member of the Uniformed Services wondering how to withdraw money from your thrift savings plan account? The TSP is a retirement savings and investment plan for federal employees and members of the Uniformed Services. Here are some steps you can take to withdraw money from your TSP account. First, you need to decide on a distribution option that best suits your needs. The TSP offers several distribution options, including single payments, installment payments, annuities, and a combination of these options. Each of these options has its own pros and cons. Single payment options allow you to take lump sum withdrawals or roll over the balance into an IRA. This can be effective when trying to optimize your retirement planning strategies. Installment payments may be necessary if looking to retire prior to age 59 and a half. Individuals can ladder these payments before triggering other income strategies. Annuities offered through the TSP are typically limited to one carrier and are usually not the most appropriate solution. If looking at an annuity to correlate to your goals, it may be best to take the rollover option and customize a personal annuity strategy specific to your age and time horizon. Keep in mind that there may be tax implications for withdrawing money from your TSP account. Before making any decisions about withdrawing money from your account, it's a good idea to consult with one of our advisors. In conclusion, withdrawing money from your TSP account is a straightforward process, but it's important to make sure you understand your options. Remember, the TSP is there to help you save for your retirement, so take advantage of the resources available to you and make informed decisions about your savings. If you are offered a TSP account, you are eligible to speak with one of our advisors through Afasi Financial Group, free of charge. Simply call our office and reference this video. We look forward to speaking with you.